photographers. I am Kita with Kita Explores Photography, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. So maybe it shouldn't be hello photographers, maybe hello vloggers. So today I am actually going to hook up a microphone to my DJI Pocket 2. Yes, I know there's a newer version of DJI Pocket out. I have the 2. I got it before this one came out, and I love this thing. But the sound needs to be a little bit better in some occasions. So I decided to finally get a microphone, and I wanted to test it out, open it up, test it out with you all. So that's what we're gonna do here today. So you're going to get an unboxing of these items. You're going to see me connect it to the DJI Pocket, as well as get a demonstration inside and outside. So let's get into today's video. And before we do, welcome. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into today's video. So first off, let's do the unboxing. So obviously, to connect your microphone to the DJI Pocket 2, of course you're going to need your DJI Pocket 2, but also you're going to need 2 things. You're going to need the DJI Pocket 2 do-it-all handle, and you're going to need the DJI Pocket 2 wireless transmitter. You need both of these things in order to get the sound from the microphone to your Pocket 2. This device here, the do-it-all handle, this is actually to help you get the wireless transmission to the Pocket 2, because the Pocket 2 wasn't originally set up in that manner. Now, for those of you who may not be purchasing from Amazon for whatever reason it may be, I got these from B&H Photo. So they also have 2-day free shipping, and they have all the photography, videography gear that you need there, okay? So first off, we're gonna open up this wireless transmitter. Make sure I keep the box intact. For some reason, if it's not, something got damaged in shipping, whatever. They got, can't even get it out. They got like one of these little, you know, those little gel packs that people shouldn't eat thing in there. I don't know why it's in here, but open it up. So there's a wind protector in here. And then here's the actual microphone. And here is the actual microphone. Next up, I'm gonna open up the do-it-all handle. They have another one of these things in here. Slide this out. And then here is the do-it-all handle. So they also have in both boxes instructions, which is great because you don't have to pick up your phone or get on the computer or whatever, look up instructions. So they just do have some brief instructions already inside the box. So now let's get into connecting this to the DJI Pocket 2. So first of all, you need to put this on the Pocket 2, okay? Now this thing here is really hard to get off. I even looked up videos of how do you get this off? Like in the video, they made it seem like it was just so simple to pop off. Nada. So what you could do is actually attach something like a tripod to the bottom of this device. We're gonna attach it. And this is just like a tabletop tripod that I have for the camera that I'm using to record this. But yeah, so you can attach this so it has like a stronger base, a longer base for you to actually hold, and then you can easily pull it off. But it is extremely hard to just use your hand to pull off this older piece. Once you get that off, then you're gonna connect the do-it-all handle to the Pocket 2. So as you can see on the Pocket 2, that's the charging port. And then here on the do-it-all, you have the charging port as well. So obviously you want to connect that there. And then once you plug it in, you'll see on the front, you have, when you want to release this from the Pocket camera, you have to hold this down to take it off, but they do have a charging port in the back, so you don't have to take it off to charge. You can leave this on here. So next up, now we actually need to connect the microphone to the Pocket 2. So first off, to connect it, we're gonna turn on the Pocket 2. Yes, first step. And then actually we're gonna go to the menu. Slide this down. So before, you would just slide this over and you would not have this microphone option. So we're going to actually use this microphone option today. So before I click on it, because it will time out after a while, but here on the microphone, as you can see, it does have a charging port on the bottom. To connect it, we're going to be using this link button, and then this is the actual power button at the bottom that you'll slide up. So we're going to click this to find the mic. Then we're going to click this on, and then we're going to hold this. And it is now blinking rapidly. And now it is connected. It needs to be charged. It's only 25% remaining. So yeah, it is now connected, easy peasy. But you have to make sure you have the right tools. You have to have this specific microphone for the DJI Pocket 2 and this do-it-all handle in order for the mic to pair. All right, so now let's get into a test of the sound. So first up, we're gonna start off with the indoor test. I'm going to use the mic first, and then I'm gonna disconnect the mic so you can hear the difference in sound, if any. So let's start by recording on the Pocket 2 with the mic. Okay, so I have the mic on. I am recording through the Pocket 2. And what's cool is that I can see here on the display screen that the mic is fluctuating, meaning it's picking up my sound. So how does this sound to you? All right, so now let's turn this off. Okay, now I have turned off the mic, and it says mic disconnected popped up on the screen, and this is what it sounds like inside without the mic. So let me know what you think. Does it sound different? Does the mic sound better? Does it sound the same? Let me know, but I'm not gonna know until I go back to edit this, so I need to insert a freeze frame here. Okay, I am listening to the playback, and it's just a slight difference between the mic and without the mic, but I noticed without the mic there is a lot more echoing and playback, but it's not that significant. So I'm interested in seeing or hearing how it sounds when I go outside and there's more background noise. Next up, I am going to hopefully get a windy day here soon. Atlanta is windy here all the time. I don't know why this city is not called a windy city. So hopefully it is windy here in the next few days, because I would like to go out and test it with the wind, because there has been times when I've traveled with my DJI and there's some wind going on that affects the sound and you can't hear me as well. So I really want to test it with that. So in just a moment, I'll probably have changed, but we're gonna go outside and test this out. It is finally like windy outside here. Looks like it's probably gonna storm either here or somewhere nearby. So I am on the microphone right now. I'm waiting for like a big gust of wind to come through, but it's constant wind movement. So I'm intrigued to see how it sounds compared to the mic, which I'm on now. Oh my God, that was a big spider. The mic, which I'm on now, compared to without the mic. So it's windy right now. We'll see how it sounds. This does have a wind blocker, which I don't have on right now, but we want to just compare the sound to with or without the microphone. So that was with the microphone. Let me switch to without. Okay, I've disconnected the mic. The wind is still going. What do you think? I don't know what it thinks yet. I don't know what I think yet. I just felt the raindrops, so I need to hurry up and go in. I don't know what I think yet because I need to listen to this back on my computer. So let me know which one sounds better, the mic in the wind or without the mic in the wind. Okay, let me go inside to check this out because it's about to rain. So I'm back in my home listening to the playback, and wow, there is such a huge difference between using the mic and not using the mic. You hear so much wind playback when I do not have the mic in, and I'm sure it's even better with the mic when I have the wind blocker on. So the mic is definitely doing what needs to be done here. All right, Explorer, so what do you think about the microphone and connecting this to the Pocket 2? I don't believe in going out and spending a whole bunch of money for another DJI Osmo Pocket 3 when I already had the 2 and it works well. I love it. So I am just trying to conserve, but just make it a little bit better for my travel videos. So I want to know, what do you think about this mic? And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks, because you never know who may actually need this mic for their DJI Pocket 2 as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.